Albert Einstein, one of the greatest minds in human history, was not always recognized for his brilliance. In fact, his early life was marked by struggles and failures that would have discouraged many. But Einstein's story is a powerful testament to perseverance, self-belief, and the ability to turn challenges into opportunities for greatness. Early years, the struggles of a quiet boy. Albert Einstein was born on 14 March 1879, in Ulm, Germany. As a child, he appeared different from his peers. He did not speak until he was nearly 4 years old, a delay that worried his parents and led others to believe he might have developmental issues. Even when he began to speak, his speech patterns were unusual, and he often paused to carefully consider his words before speaking. This early silence earned him the nickname, Dopey One, from his peers and raised concerns among his teachers. One of his teachers even went so far as to call him mentally slow. Despite these comments, Einstein's quiet nature masked an incredible curiosity and intellect that would later define his life. Academic challenges. Einstein's academic journey was far from smooth. As a young boy, he disliked the rigid and rote learning methods of the German educational system. Teachers often found him difficult to handle because he questioned authority and challenged traditional ways of thinking. While his grades in subjects like mathematics and physics were excellent, he struggled in other areas, leading some educators to dismiss him as a mediocre student. In 1895, Einstein applied to the prestigious Swiss Federal Polytechnic School in Zurich. However, he failed the entrance exam. His performance in the mathematics and physics sections was outstanding, but his scores in other subjects, particularly languages, were insufficient. Rather than giving up, Einstein used this setback as motivation. He enrolled in a secondary school in Aarau, Switzerland, where he thrived in a more supportive environment, eventually gaining admission to the Polytechnic School the following year. Professional struggles and breakthroughs. Even after completing his education, Einstein faced difficulties finding employment. For 2 years, he struggled to secure a teaching position, often facing rejection due to his unconventional ideas and lack of recommendations from professors. Finally, in 1902, he found a job as a clerk at the Swiss Patent Office in Bern. While this position was far from prestigious, it provided him with the financial stability and free time to pursue his scientific interests. During his time at the patent office, Einstein began working on revolutionary ideas that would change the world of physics forever. He often referred to this period as his miracle years, 1905, during which he published 4 groundbreaking papers. These included his special theory of relativity, which introduced the famous equation E is equal to mc superscript 2, and his work on the photoelectric effect, which laid the foundation for quantum mechanics and later earned him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. Turning challenges into opportunities. Einstein's journey illustrates the importance of perseverance and resilience. Instead of allowing early struggles and rejections to define him, he used them as stepping stones to success. His setbacks in school and work forced him to think independently, question conventional wisdom, and approach problems from unique angles. These qualities became the hallmarks of his genius. Moreover, Einstein's life shows the value of curiosity and self-directed learning. Even when formal education systems failed to nurture his potential, he continued to educate himself through books, experiments, and discussions with like-minded individuals. His love for learning never wavered, proving that true education transcends classroom boundaries. Legacy of a genius. Albert Einstein's contributions to science and humanity are immeasurable. His theories revolutionized our understanding of space, time, and energy, and his work continues to influence modern physics and technology. Beyond his scientific achievements, Einstein was also a vocal advocate for peace, human rights, and intellectual freedom. Perhaps one of the most inspiring aspects of Einstein's story is his humility and belief in the power of perseverance. Despite being labeled slow and facing numerous rejections, he never stopped believing in his ability to make a difference. As he once said, "I have no special talents. I am only passionately curious." Lessons from Einstein's journey. Albert Einstein's life teaches us several valuable lessons. 1. Overcome labels and judgments. Einstein was labeled as mentally slow and mediocre, yet he defeated these judgments to achieve greatness. Never let others' opinions define your potential. 2. Embrace failure as a teacher. His failures in academics and early career didn't deter him. Instead, they taught him resilience and fueled his determination. 3. Stay curious. Einstein's insatiable curiosity drove his discoveries. Cultivating a love for learning and exploration can open doors to extraordinary achievements. 4. Think differently. Einstein's unique perspective and willingness to challenge established norms led to groundbreaking ideas. Innovation often comes from thinking outside the box. 5. Persistence pays off. Despite numerous setbacks, Einstein's persistence enabled him to turn his dreams into reality. Success rarely comes easy, but determination can overcome any obstacle. Conclusion. Albert Einstein's story is a powerful reminder that early struggles and failures do not define one's destiny. With curiosity, resilience, and a commitment to one's passions, even the most daunting challenges can be overcome. Einstein's journey from a quiet, misunderstood boy to a scientific icon serves as an enduring source of inspiration for anyone striving to achieve greatness.